I just got it drilled, man. We got it up in there, my gun, man. That's crazy, cause that is just huge. Here's another one.
Now we going with the
huge. What up, YouTube? We out here sliding, man. We back out here the next day with my boy Ace, man. We about to get my mans to school. You already know we gotta be up early, huh, Ace? Yeah. Yes, sir. We sliding. He got an early day anyway, so he went back out here with Daddy working. But we about to slide around, man. Y'all know we got a lot going on. We got a huge transformation moving out of my first apartment right now. Then we trying to clear the shop, so we got a lot going on everywhere right now. First and foremost, I want to tell y'all, make sure y'all enter to win until the silver bullet giveaway. We are literally close to selling out damn near. If everybody on here watching could get a cap or 2 or 3, we could damn near probably sell out and go live probably next week or something. But I don't want to speak too soon because I know how y'all be doing me, man. But like I said, for the people who support me and reaching out and tapping in, getting y'all the hats and all the merch, I appreciate y'all more than everything. And just know, for people who purchase their hats, they are on the way. I'm literally waiting them to arrive to me as usual, like I explained to y'all. Once they get to me, they get to you guys. So understand the process, man. If I was the one in control of it, it'd already be done, literally. So we gotta just wait and have patience. But I appreciate everybody for all the time. Y'all literally been waiting, man, for real. But like I said, we sliding out hiding, man. We about to make it count and make it happen today. We gotta finish up that 2015. I got the bars at the apartment, and I got the rear light bar for the 03. We gotta put on that Road King, and then we gotta get that 2019 we're giving away to the frame doctor. We're literally giving away 2019 Road Glide, y'all. Do y'all know how much that shit costs, man? And y'all getting it for 50 bucks. That's why I can't believe how long it's taking to fill these spots, because I'm telling y'all, this is one of the goodest chances y'all got at 50 bucks, man. I get to get the Lifted 2019 right here that we driving, paired together with a 2019 Road Glide customed out, man. You get to get the everything powder coated up with the nice feet, with the bars and everything and whatnot. You already know how we do it, man. But like I said, enter the win for the silver bullet giveaway. You already know we about to literally be in Sacramento delivering a 2015 Road Glide that we literally just gave away to somebody. We just came back from St. Louis, Missouri, which was a dope ass trip. I can't wait to deliver the next one, man. I'm telling y'all that. It's like crack to a crackhead delivering these bikes, man. It's like one of the best feelings to be able to bless somebody, that I get my blessings in return, and then you just see your bike go from nothing to something, then you see it all the way across the world. So it's one of the dopest things. I'll be glad that we do, like seriously, because I'm telling y'all, it's so much bigger than what I used to think it is. But like I said, we sliding, not hiding, man. I ain't gonna talk too much. I gotta get my men's to school, but I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. We about to get this work in and finish it up, y'all. We sliding. What up, YouTube, man? We back out here. We about to try to get this last little stuff knocked out. Y'all know we put the lift kit on a few days ago with me, my pops, and the homie Ray. We took that apart, got a way higher lift kit to just switch it up so the front end could be higher. So now we literally topping it off, finishing up where we started. My boy got the damn tool. Gotta drill it out. I gotta subscribe to my boy channel, man, Built by Ray. I'm gonna put a picture of it on the video. All you gotta do is literally go on there and click the link and subscribe to my boy and get him right, man. I'm telling you, we trying to get to 1,000, man. If y'all mess with me and how I move, y'all gotta definitely tune into my boy, man. We be literally all trying to run it up and get to it, man. Y'all see what's going on. We got the next level lift kit we installing right now. Like I said, we had a lift kit on here. We just took everything off and we're raising it up higher. He already swapped out both of the bottom brackets. My boy doing a hardcore work right now, drilling those screws right here. There we go.
You can see the metal shavings falling out.
Like it's raining shavings. That's crazy. See it, man. We about to get to it. Like I said, man, subscribe to my boy channel, man. Get him right. Get him to 1,000, man. We trying to get to it. I got about 9,000 of y'all on here. I'll be having about 2 to 3, 4, 5,000 views. If I can get 10% of y'all to subscribe to my boy and get him to 1,000 today, man, we may have some greatness. I'm telling y'all, for real. That little percentage will do the biggest difference. I'm telling y'all. Tune in and get my boy right, man. I'm telling y'all, he slide. We got it going, man. We got it going. See the difference with this one, we got this huge adapter piece. The last one, the spring one right there, so I guess that's gonna give us...
We're gonna relocate the strip, the shop.
Yeah, we're gonna relocate it. It's gonna have the truck a lot much higher. It's crazy though with these kits, the different stuff, man. Got it going. We had to drill them holes If you ordering this kit like this and you thought you was gonna be like me and just bolt it up and go about your day, you are definitely wrong, my guy. We got the template. He drilled the holes out of there, right there. Then I got it perfectly sitting up in there. So now, I think that was the hardest part down there. Yes, sir, we got it going, man. That's crazy, because that is just huge. Here's another one.
Now we going with the
Huge.
spring and then the shock and then spring, shock, and then put this back.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
We literally just left O'Reilly's and got us some more springs. It's crazy, man, because I'm telling y'all, the way this stuff work out is nuts, man. It's unbelievable, but you gotta do what you gotta do, y'all. So we just finally leaving from O'Reilly's. We got literally the springs back there in the back of the bed in the box. So basically what happened was I literally just installed a 4.5 inch lift kit with my dad and Ray. We had that on there. I took it off because the lift kit was unleveled, and not even from the lift kit or what we did. It was literally just the way my truck was set up. So I went with a higher lift kit. So now we have a 6-inch lift kit all the way around front and back. So basically that lift kit didn't come with no springs. And it basically require you to use your old springs. So the problem with that is the fact that I literally had got rid of everything. So I tried to find some used ones. It took me on a waste of time. So I went to AutoZone, went to 3 different stores, didn't have them, waited all day. Just finally left O'Reilly's and got them. So I got my man from school early too. So we're about to go ahead, go back to the house, get this truck complete, fixed, hopefully get a wheel alignment today so we could be driving the truck tomorrow, man. So stay tuned, hoping for the best. And I need y'all to please subscribe to my boy Built by Ray channel, man. Get his subscribers up, y'all. We trying to get him up there. But we about to slide though, man. We about to get in, get this truck done. I got a lot of pressure and a lot of stuff on me. But one thing's for sure, 2 things for certain. I'm gonna get the job done because it's all on me at the end of the day. I don't expect nobody to do nothing for you, boy. Because at the end of the day, it gotta work out for me, man. So that's one thing for sure. We about to get in and make sure we get to where we need to be. Because at the end of the day, if I don't do it, who will, man? So that's how we going and that's how we feeling, man. We slide now. Make sure I enter the win for the Silver Bullet giveaway, man. You already know what's going on. We almost sold out, but we got some spots left, man. I need y'all to get in to win it, y'all. I'm telling y'all, if everybody tune in right now and tap in and get us where we need to be, we can be there, y'all. But like I said, stay tuned, man. We sliding, not hiding. Y'all know what's going on, man. We done finally made it back to the house, man. Y'all know we've been going through some stuff, but it's all good, man. I got faith and I got my boy to help me, so it's all good. Then Pops just came through, so we got it all worked out, y'all. Y'all seen before, we are putting the 6-inch lift kit on. My boy Ray pulled off. I went to the O'Reilly's and brought some brand new shocks because the original ones I had to throw away. So I just finished off one side. Proud of myself. I always done the lift, not always done the lift kits, but I always installed the little parts that I had for myself. But Ray drilled out the holes. He got in there perfect with this because it was like tight to where it would have messed up the threads on the bolt. So he got that bolted and torqued. I went ahead and put the shock in there with the spring, used the jack to jack it up. I put the little linkage right here. I didn't know how that worked at first, so, you know, I ain't gonna lie to you, a lot of black people in general don't like to read. I had to get my read on to really figure it out so I don't waste no time. We got that up on there. My dad helped me get that by using the poles. So we got that up on there. I ended up putting the whole spindle on. I got this bolted and torqued down. I got tight in that last bolt down there and this other bolt up there. But I am overall happy with it because this truck never got lifted. I mean, since we just did it from the past 2 days, it's been at the same height. Now we got everything on there that showed me the gap from literally from the fucking here to the tire. So now this is gonna be way lower, which means it'll have a higher gap like the silver truck. Hopefully this shit gonna look good, man. Need this shit done and over with. We got it going on. I just got the fucking I literally just hopped up to record this shit. Just fucking stuffed it in there. That's funny as shit. I just got it drilled, man. We got it up in there. My boy Ray just pulled back up on me. I'm about to go fucking blind, man. I have to grab these glasses. We got it going though, man. Hey, nah, I see, man. The homie come through, man. Y'all see it.
Pull it up.
Yeah. Yes, sir, man. We got it going.
Hey, where's the screw? We grinding it down because right here it's sticking up, so the bolt won't fit down on there flush. We smoothing it out so it could fit down on there perfect.
they're smooth now.
Nice smooth surface.
Oh yeah. That's nuts. I can see it messing up the threads too. That's one tool I'm scared to use, y'all. That's crazy. Perfect. Got the washer? Here. That's the middle one. Oh, no. That one actually is this one, I think. When I run back out, and these are small ones. I like how them motherfuckers go right on. That's one thing I learned. I swear to you, I'm like, nigga, my arm hurt trying to drill them hoes.
Yeah, nah, that's
muscle whoop.
You gotta put that in.
I was like, God damn.
That should drain in you for sure.
Real. They doing donuts. Yes, sir. Got it on there. Tell you, I'm about to, as soon as I get it going, y'all gonna see me with electric tools like my boy, man. All this manual labor. I see we'll get it done in 0.5 seconds. And I just noticed all your shit match. It's all the same company.
The,
drill, the grinder.
That's the Craftsman, then all these snap on impact.
Well, it's all red. It looked good enough to me. For real. Oh.
Turn it back up. It's a deep one.
It's been a hell of a process, but we learning for sure. I definitely learned some shit from doing this. At first, I'm like, man, I ain't seen none of this before. We got it going. Tell y'all, subscribe to my boy, man. Built by Ray on YouTube. We trying to get to 500 by the night, man. Tap in. I'm telling y'all, subscribe. Now I'm telling you, bro, I have 9,000 subscribers. If I could get at least 2% of y'all to tap in to subscribe to my boy, I'm telling y'all, we're gonna be there.
We got a surprise when we get 500, man.
And I'm telling y'all, but you gotta follow and subscribe to tap in to figure out what's gonna be the surprise. I'm telling you.
Now go back and watch my video about the Mustang. Y'all gonna get a hint.
And I'm telling y'all,
what's going on.
And y'all see that the whole car was flipped over on the rotisserie. I ain't know what none of that was to that day. But I'm telling y'all, tap in, man. We about to get back to it, y'all. We sliding. Yes, sir, man. We got the finishing product with the lift kit. I still got to do the back, but the front is higher. I don't know why this height over here just don't seem as high as the other side. Over here, it seems like it's way higher. I still got to put the rims and tires, so that's one thing, but we got it going, man. We got it going. Everything up on there. I wish everything could have been powder coated, but this is the work truck. I just want it more presentable than what it is. We got the brand new Rough Country rims at the house, so stay tuned for that, man. We're gonna have the new rims and tires. Get this doors fixed, get a paint on this thing, tow mirrors, headlight LEDs, and we'll be on our way. But y'all see, man, shout out to my boy Built by Ray for coming through. You already know, man, what to do. Hit that subscribe link, tap in, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Now we got to get ready to use both these trucks to handle tomorrow business moving, man. So we got everything going, y'all.